Hi guys, guess what? Today we are making waffles. This is Obi Kitchen and you're welcome to my channel. In here I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour and I added half teaspoon of baking powder. I'll just give it a mix and set it aside. I'll get a clean bowl, add unsalted butter to it, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Give it a mix. Mix to combine well until it is a little fluffy. Then I will add the eggs. I have 2 medium-sized eggs. I will add the eggs one at a time into the butter and sugar mixture and mix well to combine. When it is well combined, I'll go ahead and add the second egg. Then I will give it a mix again to combine. Here I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla flavor into the batter. Here I will add 1/4 teaspoon of salt into the flour before mixing. Here I will add 2 tablespoons of raisins into the mixture before adding the flour. So now go ahead and add the flour bit by bit, giving it a thorough mixing until we get a smooth batter. Here I used raisins. You can choose to use any dry fruit of your choice, but I prefer raisins for my waffle. Two tablespoons of water to lighten up the batter a little bit. I have my waffle maker already prepped by greasing it with some unsalted butter before I will transfer my batter into the waffle maker. So I'm transferring the batter into it because it's been greased already. So make sure I fill all the space. Then cover to cook for 8 to 10 minutes. It's 10 minutes already and our waffle is ready. It's well cooked and golden brown. A well cooked waffle, it's crispy and golden brown. Let's clean up the residue from the waffle maker. Then I'll rub in some butter for another set. When you're greasing, make sure you do the down, up and down. You cover to cook again for 8 to 10 minutes. All the ingredients I used for this recipe will be listed in the description box. I made a delicious chocolate sauce for this waffle. So I'll be serving the waffle with some chocolate sauce. This batch is ready. You can see how beautiful it looks. Here is the waffle. and I have my chocolate sauce beside it. This waffle recipe is easy to make and super delicious. If you love my recipe, please subscribe to my channel, like and share. Try this out and let me know the outcome in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.